Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can book your parking at Ottawa International Airport, which has the code YOW. Before I proceed further, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, when you go to a busy place like airport, it's always good to have your parking pre-booked so that you don't struggle for a space later on and like who wants to trouble, right, while you're traveling. So in front of you, I have opened this website of the airport. If you go to parking and transportation, they have a link for parking. You can click on it. Okay. You can reserve your parking. So if you go there, they have this window. Okay. You can go to manage my booking if you've registered and you can check what you have done for. But anyway, you can select the dates here. Let's say you are going on Friday at they have EM PM or like format. Let's say you're going there at 10 a.m. You're gonna enter and you're gonna come out on Sunday, okay, at 11 a.m. If you have a CA membership, I have. You can put the number here and you can click on find parking options. Okay, so of course, cost matters, but yeah, it also depends on how much luggage you have and how many people you are, so that you can even go for more convenience, right? So if you go for P1 parquet, transfer time 2 to 3 minutes, P4 5 to 7 minutes, and this is surface parking P4, and this is covered parking. Many people prefer covered, and like the difference for $6 and something, it's not much. Okay, we'll click on reserve now. You can register here. Okay, all right, it's always good. You can put your personal details and register here. All right, next time it's going to be pretty simple for you. And make sure like your license plate number, that's very important. Okay, like it's not asking it over here. Confirm email, postal code, passenger, airline, destination purpose. That's okay. But when it asks in the next stages, when you proceed, that's really important so that you don't have any issues. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.